with the exotic line trowels. This is a base coat of Marmorino KS. In white, we're gonna do Marmorino KS in a tinted color. Now remember, this is a sandy product. It has sand in it. This is a sandy base coat. You're compressing the sand into the first coat. Always in circular motion. You don't want to leave it thick that you could do this. This means it's too thick, okay? You don't want to do that. You want it nice and tight. Always in circular motion and always compress it. So for this particular job, we want a matte, not glossy, no movement, but they want it to look like a stone. So Marmorino KS is one of the best things we can use for that. So basically when you've done your whole wall, let's pretend this is 4 feet. You're gonna come back with a clean trowel, and you're gonna come back with your best friend, use a knife, and clean it. Clean it. Clean it. And that's it. When it dries, we'll wax it.